Want ChatGPT to remember your preferences and provide more personalized responses over time. ChatGPT Memory can save useful information, like your preferred writing style, recurring projects, or favorite formats, so you don't have to repeat yourself in every conversation. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT Memory, manage saved memories, and stay in control of what ChatGPT remembers. Let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account. Then open the Account menu and go to Settings, where you'll find personalization options, including memory if it's available for your account. If memory is available, open the memory settings and make sure the feature is enabled. Once it's turned on, ChatGPT can remember helpful information that you've asked it to save or information it determines is useful for future conversations. You can ask ChatGPT to remember information that's useful over the long term. For example, you might ask it to remember your preferred writing style, favorite programming language, or the way you like information to be formatted. Avoid asking it to save sensitive personal information unless you intentionally want it remembered. After something is saved to memory, ChatGPT can use it in future conversations to provide more personalized responses. Yeah, this means you may spend less time repeating the same preferences every time you start a new chat. You remain in control of your saved memories. Visit the memory settings to review what has been saved, update existing memories, or remove anything you no longer want ChatGPT to remember. If you prefer not to use memory, you can turn the feature off at any time. You can also delete individual memories or clear all saved memories, depending on your preferences. Memory works best for long-term preferences and recurring workflows. It's helpful for writing styles, coding preferences, project organization, and other settings you use regularly. For temporary conversations that shouldn't influence future chats, you can simply avoid saving them as memories. And that's how to use ChatGPT Memory. By saving useful preferences while managing what ChatGPT remembers, you can enjoy a more personalized experience without giving up control over your information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.